As a business owner, are you aware of all the processes that are followed in your company? In this video, I'm going to show you a simple tracker you can use to record all the processes that are followed in your company at one place. Hi, I'm Srinivas Vakati. I help business owners build their dream company. During my consulting, I always ask my clients to document all the processes that are followed in the company. After a few days or few weeks of documenting, generally the business owner becomes overwhelmed, and he always asks me, like, how do I track all the processes, how all the checklist, all the formats that are followed in the company. So, to avoid this overwhelm, I have designed a simple tracker which I call it Process Monitor. In the Process Monitor is a one page tracker where you list down all the processes, all the checklists, all the trackers that are followed in your company. So let's see a demonstration of how do you use this tracker in your company. So this is the sample format that you can use to record all the processes that are followed in your company. Here you write down the name of the departments in your company. For example, let's say marketing or sales, operations, admin, and so on. So once you write down all the departments, in KRA column, you write down all the work that your employee needs to do. For example, in marketing, one of the work that they need to do is they need to run ads, right? And one of the tasks that your team needs to do in sales is, let's say, they need to do cold calling. So this is the KRA. This is where you write down all the tasks or all the key responsible areas that your employee needs to do. And in this column, you give an URL of the system or the checklist that are in place. So here is how it will work. For example, for running the ads, I recommend that you have a documented process that your team needs to follow. Once you document this process, you save it, for example, let's say in Google Docs. Once you save it in Google Docs, you copy that URL and you paste it here, and so on and so forth. For you need to do for all the KRAs. So what's the advantage here? Now let's say in future you hire a new employee for running the ads. So what you need to do is you need to open the Process Monitor tracker and you click on the URL here or the systems or the checklist column, and it will directly open the relevant system or relevant process, and you need to give that process to the new employee. So that is what you need to do in this column, in column number D. And in the column number E, in the who column, you will write down the person responsible for executing that KRA or executing that task. So ask yourself this question: currently, who is responsible for running the ads? You write down that person's name here. So this person has to follow this system that you have documented. And in the final column, you paste the URL of relevant tracker or the MIS. Now, for example, let's say you have created a tracker where you are tracking all the ads, like how much money is spent, how many leads are generated, and you are tracking this on a separate Google Sheets. So what you do is you take the URL of the tracker and you paste it here. And you must do this for all the departments and for all the KRAs. If you prepare this process monitor, you will have at one place all the departments of your company, all the KRAs, and all the processes, and also all the relevant trackers and the MIS at one place. I'm sure in the long run, it will save you hundreds of hours, not just for you, also for your team. If you have any questions or need help in implementing the process monitor, kindly send me an email. Thank you very much. Till next time, go and build your dream company.